Hi, welcome to CivilMix. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to draw walls and floor and columns using Revit. Here I have opened my floor plan. I have already drawn by Revit, and now we are going to draw the walls. To create a wall, go to Architecture, click Walls, and in Property box you will see the all properties. You can change the way you want to draw those walls, and before draw the walls you need to change the base constraint and top constraint. I will change top constraint to roof level. Now we are going to draw the walls. Click first point on the grid and end point. You can continue your drawing, and like this, according to the plan I have opened on my right hand side. If you want to trim, there is trim extend single element. Click can. You can trim the element you want by selecting boundaries, and again open wall and draw using grids, and you can do trim and extend. See how easy. You have lots of wall types here, and you can edit the properties of the walls. Go to edit type and edit. You can change the materials, you can change the thicknesses. You can change the fill patterns also. There are a lot of default fill patterns. Then apply and OK. Go to 3D view and you will see this kind of 3D views from base, ground level to roof level. You can check all the views according to the drawing you have done. Now we are going to create columns. That's also easy. Go to Architecture and Columns. We can draw them using grids, and it will show in 3D view like that. Now we will go to draw floors. Go to Architecture, Floor, use lines to draw those floor. You can use trim and extend to create the floor also, and click finish edit. Go to 3D, you will see like that. This column I didn't change the top and bottom. You can see how I am changing it from the property box. Now this is the final view of walls, floor and columns.